Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by placing the actual workbook where everyone will reach it, so upload or create the Excel file in the correct Sharepoint document library. Once done, make sure you have edit or contribute rights. Without them, you cannot save changes. Also enable versioning and optional checkout to prevent overwrite conflicts. This preserves history and simplifies recovery. Now open the workbook in Excel for the web or desktop. Choosing the web client gives instant co-authoring, while desktop offers advanced features. You now configure collaboration and workbook discipline so edits stay reliable. First, share the file with defined people or groups and assign edit or view permissions. This controls who can change data. Then, use Excel for the web for simultaneous co-authoring. It merges edits in real time and reduces conflicts. Also convert key areas to tables, add named ranges, and protect critical sheets or cells. This enforces structure and helps formulas remain accurate when multiple users work concurrently. You finish by validating the workbook and preparing recovery paths. Save changes, review version history, and tag a restore point if needed. If edits conflict, open the version history to compare changes, communicate with the editor, and manually merge differences. For persistent sync problems, check OneDrive sync status and resync the library. Finally, audit document permissions and library settings. Incorrect inheritance or blocked file types often cause access failures. A common tip: if syncing stalls, sign out and back into OneDrive to refresh tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.